Hey everybody, how you doing today? Mark here. I'm making just a quick video. I want to show you something I got. It's my birthday coming up. I got myself kind of an early birthday present, and I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this yet, but let me show you exactly what I got. So what do you think of that, guys? That is a Vulcan 750. It's a 1993, and just let me show you around the bike a little bit. Alright, so the wheels look in decent shape. Not a whole lot of rusting. You know, the brakes look decent. These shocks look like they're pretty well worn, so there might be an issue in there, I'm not sure. Fender's in good shape. It's not beat to hell, it's not rusted out. Now it is a dual disc brake, so this brake on this side looks fine too. Caliper still looks in good shape. Spring's a little rusty, but I can fix that. The radiator's still looking pretty good. A little discoloration on the black coverings, but not bad. Same thing up here. Air intake looks good, again, not rusted out. The chrome finish isn't even pitted. The gas tank, the only thing really wrong with the gas tank is there's a little dent right here, and I'm going to see if there's a way I can get that out. And then of course a few scratches, nothing major. The mirrors are okay. I hate these hand grips, so I'm going to have to change these out. The reservoir for the brake is okay. Fluid's quite murky. A lot of rusting around here. I'm going to see if I can try to clean that up. But the chrome here looks fine. There is tape on here, and I don't know why. I haven't gotten into it yet. Again, I'm going to try to clean this up. These other controls look okay. And yeah, I mean, a little bit of rusting on the handlebars on a few pieces. Again, I'll try to clean them up. Got one broken blinker, the other one's okay, but again, I'll probably replace those. Headlight looks okay, it's not cracked or anything. The horns look okay. I didn't notice anything about that. I don't know if it's leaking or if it's oil, so may have to do a little probing to see what's going on there. Of course, the engine looks a little worn, but not bad. I mean, I've definitely seen worse. Just needs a really good scrub and clean and maybe a bit of a polish. Now, I do not have the side covers. Unfortunately, that didn't come with the bike. I do have a screw here to mount the side cover, so that's good. I don't have to buy that. I actually saw one a guy was selling on eBay or something. He wanted $70 for that screw. I couldn't believe that. This here cover is missing, so I may have to replace that. I'll take the exhaust plate off and polish that up. The shocks look in decent shape, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet, but basically I'm just going to clean it all up, make it look real good, polish what I need to. It is a shaft drive, no belt, so I'll replace the final drive fluid. I didn't realize that. It's got a center stand. Cool! Looks like there's supposed to be a bolt in here holding this on, and that's come out on that one too. Again, another broken blinker, but I can fix that. I've been trying to figure out this. There's no panel here, but it looks like there used to be something here, but more than likely I'll probably end up taking this seat off and replacing it. Another broken blinker, so yeah, definitely going to be replacing everything. Drum brake on the back. Tire, again, looks in decent shape. No major cracking or anything like that. I even got decent tread life left on this one. The seat looks in good shape. No major tears, rips. So yeah, the seat itself looks pretty good. I actually have a second helmet lock. There's one here, and then there's one on the other side as well. And again, this little cover is gone. I've got my screw here But again, no side plate. Yeah, just kind of polish up everything, give it all a good wash, take apart what I can. That's my my coolant reservoir, I believe. So yeah, that's my project bike. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do to it. I know I'm going to get everything all cleaned up on it, replace or get new side covers for it. I'm thinking I'll probably end up bobbering it out. I'm not sure. You know, it's just one of those things. I've got to wait and see how the project goes, see what I have for money. You know, what can I afford to get? You know, can I afford to get a new seat? Can I afford to, you know, do stuff and, you know, replace the blinkers and stuff like that? I should be able to. But really, the only thing the guy told me that was wrong with the bike is he believes that the rectifier is gone. The battery is just about dead. I haven't been able to fire it up. I'm gonna put it back in the garage. I am going to actually plug in the charger, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'm kind of happy that I got a little project bike to work on, you know, and I want to make this a video series. I'm probably going to put it up on my Patreon because for some reason I haven't gotten any Patreon support yet. I'm hoping that this will draw in some Patreon support. So if you want to see me working on this bike, and I don't really know how often I'm going to be bringing in videos. It could be once a month, could be once a week. I just don't know. It's probably going to be one of those things that, you know, I might make a couple of videos and boom, boom, a couple of weeks in a row I'll have them, and then it might not have anything for a month or so. I just don't know how it's going to go. So if you want to see me working on this bike, you're going to have to subscribe to my Patreon page, and I know this is going to piss a lot of you guys off, but hey, I'm trying to make this my major source of income, and I need your guys' support. And if I have to put this on a subscription only, then that's what I'm going to do. All right, so this is Mark saying thanks again for watching. I will see you on the road.